packaging. Oh! Hey y'all, hey. UNice sent me a glueless wig. The packaging is nice. Oh, okay. So they sent a little robe. Okay, get into it. A wig cap, because obviously I need it. There is a band, which I probably won't even need a band because it's like one of those pre-cut glueless lace wigs. Oh, I guess it's like a little makeup brush. And some UNice lashes. A hair care guide to tell you how to care for your unit. Okay, so this is a 24-inch wig. So I've never seen them thin like that unless it was an actual stocking. So the little brush came in handy. Right into the top, started from. So it looked like it worked. Hope it's not too dark. Yes, y'all, I did not cut it or anything like that. Ooh. Y'all. 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 What? Okay. Now, I will say that I have a little head. So the wig is a little bit kind of, I guess it fit. So I'm going to take the pressing comb and just press my roots out. But y'all can see, like, this did it. So I'm going to Tulum in July, and I'm taking this with me because I plan on wearing my hair, right? But I want the option to not. If something happened, my hair get wet. Let me get me some curlers because I need to get this baby on. Okay. So I'm gonna take the cap off, y'all. Like without the cap, it feels more secure to me. And I guess that's because the combs are able to like stick in my hair. See, it's not glued on. I didn't realize the straps was adjustable in the back, so I need to make it tighter. Now we going somewhere. Yes. So now I could probably put my cap on, but it's fine without it. because this was a PR package, so I don't know if it comes with caps. I don't need y'all talking about, oh, they ain't give me no caps, which most companies do nowadays anyway, but you know.
Riding to the top, started from the floor. How we got up here, you don't need to know. Sniffing on an M, I need one of those. Sniffing on an M like I got a cold. Need to know, nah, you don't need to know. Need to know, nah, you don't need to know. How we got up here, you don't need to know. Hit me, but I keep you on a need to know. Came up from the bottom, started from the floor. Working 10 to 10 and a 10 to 4. Bags under my eyes on my mommy floor. Always knew the plan, I know dummy knows. Always been myself, never had to fake. Had to cut off friends, had to lose the weight. Took a couple L's, charged it to the game. Since I switched my lane, never been the same. Riding to the top, started from the floor.
So yeah, definitely get you guys one of these, beginner friendly. So if you like a nice lace closure wig that's easy to put on, you ain't got to be trying to cut no lace and all of that, this is for you. This is definitely for me, because if you watch any of my other lace videos, y'all know I be struggling. But this is it. I done got used to my short hair, so this will definitely be like some vacation hair or something like that. But yeah.
I gotta make it for you, mama. Your rest in peace, big shocker. Riding to the top, started from the floor. How we got up here, you don't need to know.